When you fight the placement of your name on the Child Abuse Central Index, generally speaking, you're going to rely on one of three types of strategies. The first strategy focuses on the facts. You are going to dispute the facts or the evidence that the county is presenting against you. For example, if the county is alleging that you used a wooden spoon to spank your child, then your strategy may rely on evidence showing that you did not use a wooden spoon, that maybe you used your open hand, or maybe you didn't spank your child at all. Something of that nature. The strategy relies on convincing the county that they have the facts wrong, that your evidence that you will present is what actually happened. The second strategy, instead of focusing on the facts or the evidence so much, it focuses on the law. The second strategy is where you essentially agree or stipulate that the facts or the evidence the county presents is what happened. That's true. Instead, what your argument is that given those facts, you still should not be placed on the Child Abuse Central Index because those facts do not qualify as child abuse. You are arguing that the facts or the law as applied to the facts do not constitute child abuse. The third strategy is where you agree that the facts that the county has are the facts, are the evidence. You agree on the law that there was child abuse that was committed. Instead, what your argument is that even despite all that, there are overriding factors that come into play that suggest that your name should not be on that list. And it is your job then to present favorable evidence that would help you and convince the hearing officer to take your name off the list. Perhaps you are a fabulous parent. Perhaps you are mild-mannered. You are even-tempered. You are normally very reasonable in the way that you discipline your children. Perhaps there was something going on during the time of the incident, the alleged incident, that was very stressful. It was not normal. Normally you never spank your kids, for example, perhaps. Maybe you can get letters from neighbors or friends or family members who can say that they would trust you with their kids, that you are not you're not a hothead, that you are not easily provoked, for example. So anything that you can present to show that your parenting is not what they see it as, that this incident that they see is not the normal. Perhaps you took classes, parenting classes, and you learned different techniques or methods of parenting that you can now use instead of what happened that day or whatever happened during this incident. Whatever strategy you use, you better make a good choice. Your case will depend on your strategy. You are encouraged, of course, to seek legal counsel when deciding what type of strategy you're going to pursue, because the strategy you choose will make or break your case.